Welcome to the next level of electronic shelf labels. Panasonic Connect is constantly working with several partners on identifying new applications for ESLs. In the end, customers get more value for their money and a better return on investment. Let's discover the Engage display and advertising system today.
The Engage Rail system with LCD display technology is an integrated in-store marketing solution enabling retailers to run dynamic campaigns in store. Retailers can create digital campaigns for one or more touchpoints, including monitoring and measuring sales performances for campaign-related products. Engage touchpoints can embed dynamic price tags and are connected to the POS system, which enables automatic price changes. Through computer vision, Engage can determine availability on the shelf prior to running campaigns and assess the true impact of activation on inventory in near real time. The system can be fully integrated in any signage solution. Panasonic would not be Panasonic if they don't add another cherry on top. Customers get free of charge design templates for price bundles promoting different occasions. For example, summer barbecue.
Very touching and nice advertising possibility indeed. Join me next week for an in-store marketing solution for your smart store.